Well, when I was just starting in the early 80s and writing about this, I always felt bad. I said, gee, if I started a few years earlier, I could have gone to Apple Computer when they were beginning. And that would have been a great story to write about, the garage at Apple and, maybe, coming out with the Apple II and really getting on the ground floor. And I was like whining about this one day to Stuart Brand, the great founder of the Whole Earth Catalog. And he said to me, Stephen, what are you talking about? One day people will be coming to you and saying, what was it like when you were starting to write about the personal computer industry and Apple and the Macintosh in 1984? And he was utterly right. So now, even though I felt I started a little late, people are, asking me about what it was like back then in the 1980s, in the 1990s when the internet was getting underway. And I believe the people who jump in and maybe started writing about AI this year, sometime 30, 40 years from now, people are going to say, wow, what was it like to write about AI in 2023? So I am Stephen Levy, editor-at-large of Wired and author of 8 books. Watch me on the Technologist of the Month podcast.